y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So, as many of y'all know, I review Amazon wigs on my channel. That's just another reason for you to hit those big red letters below. But guess what I have on today, honey? Yes, I'm bringing y'all back in a loop. New styles, new companies. Amazon's getting bigger. There's more Amazon wigs. There's nothing but Amazon wigs to go around. So I'm trying as many out as I can as possible and telling you guys the real scoop. So make sure you subscribe. But other than that, we're gonna jump right into this video today. Okay, you guys, so this is how the unit came packaged. Sorry I wasn't able to show you guys the full box. My address was on the front, and so for obviously private reasons, I'm not going to show that. So that you do get a wig cap in your box as well as the wig. Here is the unit straight out of the box. She comes in this really super silky straight texture, you guys. She has a lot of silk to her, as you can see in the reflection when I go back and forth like that. This is the construction of the cap. Very nice construction with the 4x4 lace closure. This wig was 180 density, so pretty thick itself, and these are the knots up close and personal. They were actually really small, so if you guys are going to go in there and bleach them or just put makeup over them, you're definitely going to have that option and you won't run into any issues whatsoever. I most certainly did not. So combing my fingers through it, I think I got about like one strand, literally just one strand. So that's my take on it as far as shedding goes. I wore this wig for a couple of days and I did not have shedding problems at all. Also, these are the ends of the hair. I can say that upon shaking this wig and wearing it for a couple of days, that the length is true to whatever you guys order. It was only a couple of short pieces in the front, so that's another plus on this part for this wig, you guys. So another unique thing about this wig is that on the side, some wigs, closure wigs, they have hair inside that lines the actual wig. This wig, in fact, did not, so it will lay flat to your head and you won't really run into that issue. Depending on whether you like it or not, it's more of a preference thing. I've never worked with a wig that had that, so I got to see if I liked it, and it did lay flat, you guys. So this is the wig unit straight out of the box. I'm gonna get into some plucking and how I styled this, just to give you guys another idea of what you can do with your closure wig. So like I said, she was 180 density, so she was very thick. So I did go in there and actually did some wet plucking. As y'all know, if you wet pluck your lace fronts, a lot more hair comes out and you get a way nicer look. So because those knots were pretty small, the plucking on this wig did not take a while at all. The hair will come straight out. I actually ended up doing a far side part, so this is a great option if you guys are tired of doing middle parts with your closure wigs. You do not have to do a middle part, okay? Just don't feel like you have to. You can definitely do this, and it's gonna give some pizzazz, like an off middle part depending on how big your head is. My head is pretty big, so it was really cute after installing this unit, you guys. So I just wanted to give y'all another option of what you can do with your closure wig, and this wig looked amazing after pluckage. As you can see how small those knots are, so when I do end up covering that with makeup, it's blended perfectly into my skin and the lace was effortless. So now I'm going to get into some details on the actual Amazon platform while I install this wig for you guys. Okay, you guys, so this unit is from Domiso Hair on Amazon. This is their straight lace front wigs, human hair Brazilian virgin, human hair wigs for black women, 4x4 lace closure wigs, 180% density straight lace wigs, pre-plucked with baby hair knots, bleached 24 inches. Whew. Don't you love a good Amazon name? Okay, you guys. Anyways, right now this wig is listed for $151.99. I have this unit on in 24 inches, you guys. So if you guys want the same look, make sure you go on there and get it. The hair texture is straight, as you guys have seen in the beginning of the video. She was super duper silky, and the adjustable cap comes in a size 20 to 22.5 inches with combs and adjustable strap. This wig comes in any length from 16 all the way to 24 to 26 inches, depending on what they have available. It's a natural black color and it's a 4x4 Swiss lace wig. That's why I felt like this wig melted so beautifully with my skin. and you guys are going to be able to see that once I'm done cutting and shaping up the ends. I did this because I was going to throw some curls in this unit just to see how they would fall and hold up, and I wanted to show you guys a new kind of curling style where I curled the hair inward to give me this effortless like baddie look. Okay, so the hair is Remy hair, and they say that it's 100% unprocessed Brazilian straight human hair with no chemicals or harm for health. So if you guys like this wig, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. This wig will be in the description box below for a direct link, so make sure you check down there for that, and leave a review of how you guys think I installed this wig on my head. Let me know if I'm actually doing a good job. Also, check out my previous videos if you haven't already. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the rest of this video, and I'm gonna come back to y'all with my last comments in the end. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. These are how the curls turned out. I did use some hard holding spray, and I'm actually going out tonight, so I'll be able to tell y'all when I come back, if I come back, how the curls held up. I'm really surprised with this wig and what I did with it, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was a little bored with closure wigs, but I'm so glad how this turned out. I think she's so cute. You guys are wondering how I got this like to look like this, kind of, sort of. Spray here, spray here. I promise, okay? And then if you really want that extra put your curling iron under here, you guys, and then hold the hair down, like wrap it around the curling iron, and it's gonna give you that extra that you want. This is a perfect idea if you guys are tired of curling your hair outward. This curl inwards really gives like an elegant look, but like definitely a baddie with the side part, you feel me? Let me know what you guys think of this hair in the comments down below. The link for this unit will also be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Thanks to Domiso Hair for sending me this unit. I love it absolutely so much. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed my content today, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters of my next video. Bye, and have a blessed day.